Register real estate development projects payment steps. Welcome to Dari, the solution for all your real estate requirements in Abu Dhabi. We are delighted to guide you through the payment steps for the Register Real Estate Development Project service. Let's get started. Begin by visiting our website, dari.ae, or download the Dari app from the App Store or Play Store, and proceed to log into your account using one of the available options. Navigate to the Applications tab. Find the relevant application and click View Application. On the next screen, review the application details, such as the details of the initiator, selected plots, project details, project photos, and uploaded documents, and click Review Application. Review the application details again. Choose the payment method Dari Wallet and click Pay Now. Congratulations! The project has been successfully registered. You can now download the payment receipt. Thank you. We hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day.